Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so today's video I'm going to do another unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this. This is small box. It's so cute.
Tiny.
Tiny. Teeny
Hope
weeny.
there's something in there.
Of course. So, should I cut it?
Yeah, just make sure it can be sealed again in case we need to send it back.
Okay, so I found a easier way.
Good. Easy peasy.
So easy peasy. Oh, look at that, guys! This is so exciting. Oy. There's something here. So that is the receipt. So, oh, it's a Nokia, guys. Nokia 2660 Flip. Oh, it's Flip. So, and that is
non-smart mobile
on the
for me.
side. And that is at the back, the specification. And that is on the side. And there. So it says let's get together. So let's open it.
It works alright. Some of the reviews were not good, but they're all the same, these non-smart mobiles.
Really?
There's not a single one with all good reviews.
So what is the review? Good?
Some good, some bad, so can we do? The only problem is the one I got is 2G only, and all the networks will soon be stopping 2G. Some have already stopped. So I need one with 4G, which this one is supposed to be. That's the only reason why I bought it. The other one I got is a smart mobile. The other cheap one, which was actually half the price of this. And it's double the size, triple the size, and it's smart. The only problem is it doesn't fit in my shirt pocket, and it's touchscreen, which I hate. Touchscreen mobiles, and I don't want smart. I don't use any internet facilities. I just want a mobile to make calls, receive calls, and the occasional text, and that is it.
That's it.
Yeah.
Well, very well said. So this is included. This is battery, and that's the instruction, quick guide, and this is the charger.
Yes.
So it just and battery, and that is the mobile. So the color is green.
This was about 15 pounds more than the black one. I don't know why. And the pink one was another 2 pounds on top, so I didn't buy the pink.
So you don't like the black one. So this is the front.
It looks too dull, the black one.
And that is the side. It's nice. It's not bulky.
The pink one looked nice as well, but that's more for the ladies.
So that is at the back. And then that's the thing for the top bit.
Some reviewers said it's difficult to open it up.
Really? So
Yeah.
that is the bottom bit to charge as well. So
Is it difficult to open?
Thing. Easy.
Easy peasy. So
Easy peasy to open.
sometimes you can't believe these reviews.
Maybe the one who got the review got
You
arthritis.
got butterfingers.
Or maybe get arthritis or pins and needles, so you cannot open. Difficulty in opening.
Should be a slight gap, so you can put your fingernail in and pull it apart. The back, hopefully. That's how they used to be, the old mobiles.
I don't know. Can you read it if I'm reading the same thing?
Yeah, so just pull it up.
Is it from here?
Yeah, looks like.
But it's difficult.
Yeah, it's not that easy to get them off.
I can't open it. You can open. It's difficult to open.
Yeah. There.
There. Now it's open.
The battery.
So putting
You can put 2 SIM cards in there. I don't know why anyone would want 2 SIM cards. Memory card.
memory card.
SIM card is what size? Maybe nano? Because most of the new mobiles are like that, the tiniest one.
Put it up a bit. On your chest. Yeah.
So this way. This is probably the on-off switch. Nothing. There.
There. It's loud as well, but not as loud as this.
Yeah, is the volume turned fully up? Volume should be on the side of the mobile. I think there was another complaint on some of the reviews that your hand accidentally touches the volume and lowers it.
Oh.
So put it all the way up.
Yeah, it says English.
Yeah, so press OK.
Oh. Date and time. You have to set the time on date now. You can change this later in settings.
Maybe later. But to concentrate, keep holding the off button there.
It's turning it off. We can set it later because it needs time to set that.
Yeah, have to read the instruction book.
Yeah,
Have to put
read
the
the instruction.
new SIM card in.
Yeah, so now it's off.
Yeah.
So like that. So it's nice. It's nice and shiny. It's like a mirror.
Happy birthday,
Love
baby.
you.
It's 11 today.
Love you so much. You are 11 years old.
Yes.
Come here, baby. Come on mama's lap. Okay. So, okay guys. So, this is it for today. This is the unboxing for today. This Nokia 2660 Flip. 1 second. I will flip. Oh, but there's nothing in there. So that's it, guys. So thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Thank you. Tara. Love, love, love.